Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from PTSS and Group 4. We want to present our marketing plan for subject tourism and hospitality marketing. I'm Rani Aisyah binti Muhammad Zain.
My name is Umi Aida binti Azman.
My name is Nur Alia Afrina binti Asmira.
My name is Sitira Haidah binti Yasmin.
My name is Nur Afiqur binti Rizal.
Our introductions, which is name of business is The Party Paradise, a nature of business with a birthday party or outdoor event. Industry profile, we choose a product and service, and our location is Alostar Kedah. Date of commencement is 22 January 2008. Our organization chart, we have a manager is Muhammad Syukur bin Maisa, and assistant manager we have Nur Alia Afrina binti Nur Osmera, and our operational, which is me, Umi Aida binti Azman, and our marketing is Nurani Aisyah binti Muhammad Zain, and we have an account Nur Siti Rohaidah binti Jasmine. Corporate connection, we have a Bunga Resort, Hosmat Furniture, Tok Keramat Caterer, and Cake Shop, which is Cake Sayang. To make more quality service, we combine our idea and cooperation with Bunga Resort and Alostar, and join for equal benefit and always for children. According to customer choice, we have a Cake Sayang, and always give excellent service to customer with providing food that always delicious and can make satisfy customer, especially the children. We pair idea with Tok Keramat Caterer and Hosmat Furniture. Customer will ask for a chair and table according to their wish and satisfaction for a good look and beautiful on their birthday party.
Next, environmental analysis and forecasting. For market trends, nowadays, other service company is old-fashioned and coy. It will get boring and we want to make new trends, which is what kids want on their birthday. We will costume made or specialize according to the customer need and wants. And we will provide the best party that is can fulfill customer needs and can save money, energy, and time. Okay, next for competitive analysis. For competitive analysis, we will keep our competitive edge. We know we have to choose the right location, so that's why we choose our location at Anak Bukit Alostar. For potential competition, the trait for our company is we have one potential competition. There are a total of 2 others birthday party business beside us. For example, the fun house and party flavor. Our competitor can mimic the service that we provide for our customer. Competitor will lure other customer to come to them.
Okay, for the next, we are go to a segmentation and target. Okay, for the segmentation, we have 3 classes. One is high class, middle class, and low class. The high class is about the people who are salary upper, millionaire. Okay. And for the target, we also target more of high class customers because they have more money and something. And next, educational customer, and next is a customer that I have a good career. The meaning of that is the customer have a occupation like engineer, doctor, and the others. And next is a great salary and has a rich family. Okay, we go to geography. Our service is located in Alostar near Anak Bukit. Okay, and at the Alostar we have many visitable like Taman Sri Astana, Taman Mas, Villa Orchid, Taman Cedera and Villas Ferry Semarang. Related is a very rich family, and we also provide the service at here. Next, we want to go to a demography. What is demography? Demography is our service want to target customer upper middle stream. To target customer upper middle stream family. In addition, the company also focus on children and teenagers as the probability to this is higher. Furthermore, the company also have a target for the people who are illusory and because are illusory, and because the company also has a high standard as an example of high paying group capable of using this service. Okay, we want to behavior factor. Number 1, increase in demand because busy our prepared. Number 2, to capture happy moment. Number 3, cheer your loved one. And number 4, special focus.
For the next year objective and quotas, we are still new. This year in 2018, we get total of 180,000. We are profiting about 15,000 a month. We need to do more so that our profit is 2 times bigger in 2019. Next year objective for 2019 for us to reach at least 240,000, about 20,000 a month. In terms of sales volume, we determined to service birthday party 10 times a month in 2019 rather than 5 times a month. Quotas are specific but realistic goals and imposed on salesperson. Each of us need to reach our quotas for the month or week and exceed the company annual objective. For the action plans, marketing strategy or tactics, for promotion, as we strategize for Tea Party Paradise will consist of creating consumer awareness, generating interest and desire, and moving the customer to buy our services and product. Strategies for making customers to experience the services that we provide for them by using a sample room for them to use. For the price is a major factor to the overall success of a company. The company makes multiple investments including a furniture, equipment, office supplies, vehicle to carry all the stuff and goods. For the place is an important to service marketing because offer cannot be stored and must be produced and consumed at the same service location. It is a main strategic decision to choose service location. For the people, the service people and the customer are two different people. Must ensure to satisfy the customer so that the customer repeat the service again. Our company must show in concept of total quality management, TQM.
For the next is resource need to support strategy and meet objective. First, need for new marketing as a personal part-timer. A, use many type of marketing and use combination marketing to create more awareness about our company. B, add new branch in more strategy and focus area. Customer at different place also can use our service and product. C, provide own hall or place. Customer more comfortable to set up their birthday. Customer don't have time to decorate their home. That's why we provide own hall. Customer more can save their time. D, increase the number of worker and open provide more opportunity for part-time worker. It can help in to speed up the provision of service and the work will be faster. Second, for type and amount of equipment and space, for the type of equipment, we have computer, we have 4, printer, fax machine, printer ink, telephone machine, we have 3, for chair we have 7, for the table we have 6, for the air conditioner we have 5. Next is amount of monetary support needed. In the monetary support need, our company made the budget for the purchase all of equipment within 3,000 ringgit. With the budget made it can help our company easy to budget the money when we want to buy equipment. For the salary, our company employee have settled every month is 3,500 ringgit. Our company has divided according stage of work and we decide to have more sponsor from other. Next is for the marketing control. if we have order problem, we will limit it to the order and only accept the order we can make only. For the problem during the function, we like chair problem and table not enough, we will provide help with our partnership to provide the insufficient before start the event. Next is problem with food, is not good quality or bad. Before we order the food, we will survey and make sure the food is the best quality before the day of the event. About the cleanliness, if the problem about the cleanliness throughout the event in the hall, we will provide and equip our workers in one event to be able to monitor about the cleanliness and every corner to keep it clean, so customers are satisfied with the service. The last one is problem with equipment. If suddenly a problem like equipment does not well, like speaker, lamp, fan and so on, we will avoid and make sure before the event fully prepared and in good condition, so that is not undesirable problem can harm customer and our worker. Next is for conclusion. We hope our company will thrive and gain attention from abroad, and we have the opportunity to open a new branch in several countries. Our company is only one that provide a birthday party service in the Malaysia and in other countries, and look forward to being the famous company.
And we have a reference which is this. And our appendix, the Party Paradise Outdoor Event, we have a three package. You have to contact us with the number. Okay, next, and this is our flyers, the Party Paradise. We have a three package, which is package 1, package 2, and package 3. Package 1 is RM 150 ringgit, package 2 450 ringgit, and package 3 is very exclusive and special. We have 1,200 ringgit. You have to contact us with a WhatsApp number or office number. Next, we have a brochure. We make our brochure to make our customer more understand and more interesting about our package that we provide. And then we have in the brochure we have a package 1, which is name of balloon, which is have name. We provide balloon and cake. Package 2 for 450 ringgit. We have a name, balloon, decoration, cake and music. And package 3 for exclusive and special, 1,200 ringgit. We provide hall, dining set table, clown, music, balloons, decorations, and